The first aircraft to have smoke. Yes. Wow, look at that. Press the aerobatic. Yes. This is gonna be aerobatic. Aerobatic. So orange green. Okay. Two souls. Oh. Wait. I don't know from which side you're supposed to take off. I should figure this later. There we go. We're up in the air. Yeah. It's too quick. Do I want one? No. The fridge wants it. No, the freezer wants it. Cake is gonna melt. I'm sorry.
It's the comeback technique. Because I remember calling you bitch too. We just call each other bitch for no reason.
Nice. Oh. Good. Loop. Yeah, Cook's going over. Turn left. Whoa! Ow! Did I reverse my pitch? Whoa! Hold on, let us do a little loop. Hold on. Yeah. I can do the U-turn now. That's great. Nice. Thank you. Ooh, we're definitely gonna get a physics update, which I'm happy for. We need the physics. What if we make the... Hey! Make the aircraft go up. Damn, that's nice. I can't wait for the physics update. Go! Turn off. What? Whee! Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Let's do a little loop above him. Oh shit. Wrong turn. Loop. Loop upward. There we go. Let's do a U-turn. Okay, turn around. This is great for aerobatica. So great. I love this update. Please release it sooner. I want it. Aerobatica for physics switch. I've been waiting for a long time ago because I've been irritated from the stall speed. Yes. Perfect. Spin. Yes. Whoop. Yeah, you missed that. Yeah, this is so fun. Oh my god. Two little overalls stalling the panic. We have a, what is that? C-130J Hercules. C-130J Hercules. We smoke above you. Hope you like it. We. La 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 la. Oh, this is so fun. Look at that. But I wish they added more stuff to the Ultra Single Harrier if they care to do that. Pretty please. At the, what was that? No way out. I want to. No, it was the Aviators. It would be much appreciated if they added more skins for the Ultra Single Harrier because I hate seeing this green camel design for the Royal Air Force. It's like, it's very bland, you know. I like greens, but I don't like this type of green. I appreciate the Avril Vulcan being this camel green, yeah. But make it gray. Make the Hulker. Give a gray livery for the Hulker. Would be very much appreciated. I want to look more fancy as I'm doing aerial rolls and backflips. Yeah. Well, I want to look more fancy than that. Let's do our last U-turn.